down. They say, Brandy, fetch another round. She serves him whiskey and wine. She was so Brandy, you're the fine girl. What a good wife you would be. Yeah, your eyes can still say love from the sea. Brandy wears a braided chain made of finest silver from the north of Spain. Locket bears the name of the man that Brandy loved. He came on a summer day bringing gifts far away, but he made it clear he couldn't stay. No harbor was his home. They said, Brandy, you're a fine girl. What a good wife you would be. But my life, my love for my baby is the sea. Yeah, Brandy used to watch his eyes when he told his sailor story. She could feel the ocean fall and rise. So it's a raging glory. He had always told the truth, Lord, he was an honest man. Brandy does her best to understand. At night, when the boss goes down, Brandy walks through a silent town. Loves a man who's not around. She still can hear him say, she hears him say, Brandy, you're a fine girl. What